Creating videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram is easier than ever now, and it's the best passive income method in 2025 because you can easily automate the whole process with AI. These channels are doing this and have gained millions of subscribers within just several months. And I know what your problem is. You upload 2 or 3 videos, and those are not getting enough views, and then you lose your motivation, and that's why you are stuck in the same place. YouTube is not a get-rich-quick method. You have to be patient. That's why you need to let your channel grow slowly. For that, you need to be consistent. If these channels stop posting videos after their first 2 videos, they wouldn't be here today. And for those who are saying it's all luck, you are wrong. It's all consistency and hard work. The next challenge you're facing is most of you don't have a video editing background, and time is limited. I know that a lot of you guys are working, and spending around 2 to 3 hours a day on a YouTube channel is nearly impossible. If you follow my channel, you know that I talk about new AI tools and content creation. So, I'm going to introduce you to a new AI tool that can solve all the problems I mentioned above and help you to start your content creation journey. With this AI tool, you can make videos for any viral niche. Okay, first, let's discuss viral niches that you can start. The first niche that comes to my mind is motivational or wisdom stories. Channels like Living Wisdom and Wisdom in Folklore have been crushing this niche since 2023. This niche has a huge audience around the world. You can see that if you take a look at these views. Another crazy niche is this horror story niche. Channels like Mr. Nightmare have gained around 6.8 million subscribers and billions of views with this niche. So here's the list: best AI niches. These are all viral and unique niches. Select any of niches from this list for your new channel. So the AI tool I'm going to introduce today is called Video Talk. This is an all-in-one AI video generator that you can use to make viral videos. You can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's make several videos for different niches with this AI. The first niche I'm going to select is sci-fi theories niche. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make some video ideas for this niche, and then we can turn those into videos. As you can see here, we have several video ideas for this specific niche. I'm going to copy this first topic, and let's make a video for it. You can use the link in the description to sign up to this AI tool. Once you sign up, you need to click the Create a New Video option and select this. Click this fully automated AI video option. Here you can either enter your video script or upload the voiceover for the video. You can also try this AI script tool to generate the script for your video. Let's make a short form content first, then we can make a long form video. So I'm just going to insert the topic of our first short video. You need to select an aspect ratio, which is 9:16 for short videos. Then you need to set the duration to 60 seconds. You can make videos up to 10 minutes with this tool. This video is short, therefore duration should be less than 60 seconds. This video doesn't have any custom characters, therefore I'm not going to enable this option. Now we can use either images or animated videos. It's up to you. If you are going with AI images, you can select any of these AI models to generate images. For this example, I'm going to go with animated clips. Then you need to select a suitable AI model for these videos. Now, instead of using AI generated videos, you can select this option and use stock videos as well. If your video is about motivational or self-improvement, I would recommend this option. For this example video, let's go with this Kling 1.6 model. After that, you need to select a style for your video. We have animated, 3D, 2D, realistic, and more styles. I think we should go with a realistic style for this niche. Therefore, let's select this style. Then you can select a language. I'm going to go with English, and finally select a suitable voice from this AI voice list. Make sure to select a cool and non-boring voice so that this video can fit our niche. Then click the Generate Video option. After that, you will come to this page where you can review the script of this video. If you need to make any changes, you can do that. Then, the next page will show you all the prompts that you're going to be using for the video creation. So, if you want to change those, you can do that here. After that, click the Generate Video option, and it will only take several minutes to complete your video. Now, before you download the video, you can customize several things, such as subtitle style. With this editing dashboard, you can select any of these subtitle styles and change colors as you like. And if you go to this media, you can see all the videos that have been used in this short. You can replace those with new videos, generate new AI videos, or upload external videos. With this background music feature, you can change the background music and edit the volume. And if you want to add sound effects to the video, you can use these effects and add them to suitable places. If you go to this publish option and select YouTube from the top, You can generate titles, descriptions, and tags for your video as well. So all you need to do is upload the video to your channel and copy this information. It's really simple. Let's check the final video.
What if humans evolved on a different planet? Our entire biology would be dramatically different. On a high-gravity planet like Jupiter, we'd likely develop shorter, more muscular bodies with denser bones to withstand the crushing force. Our hearts would be significantly stronger too. In contrast, on a low-gravity world like Mars, we might grow taller with elongated limbs and less muscle mass. Imagine humans 7 feet tall but weighing half as much. Under a dim red dwarf star, our eyes would evolve to capture more light, possibly developing reflective layers like cats. We might even see into the infrared spectrum. On a water world, we could develop webbed hands, specialized lungs for longer dives, or even gills. Most fascinating is how our intelligence might develop differently. A harsh environment might accelerate tool development, while a resource-rich planet could delay technological progress. One thing's certain, we are products of Earth's specific conditions, and a different birthplace would mean an entirely different human species.
This video looks perfect. Now, I have generated this script using ChatGPT. This script is related to the wisdom story niche. I'm going to make a video with 2D cartoon animation for this video, and let's see. Just like before, let's create a new video. Since we have a script for this video, I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to select the aspect ratio as landscape this time. This story is about a young man named Atlas, so let's add that character to this video. I'm going to enable the Use Custom Character option. Now, we need to create a character. For that, you need to select this character option. Let's give it a name and a small description. Now, you can upload reference images of that character. Since we don't have any, let's generate some images. According to the video script, I'm going to explain our character like this. A young man named Atlas wearing a hoodie and headphones. He has tattoos. He is around 20 years old. And let's generate. Now, this is good for our character. Let's download these images and upload them to this. And let's generate our character. Now, when you go to this characters option, you will be able to see that specific character we just created. So, let's select it, and the other steps are similar to before. You just need to select a suitable AI voice for this and generate it. Not only these features, but with this AI tool, you can generate UGC ads to promote products. They have these realistic AI characters that you can use to make TikTok product videos and AI avatars. Using a tool like this for your content creation is a good thing if you don't have time to spend on creating videos. So, I would like to thank Video Talk AI for sponsoring this video. And with that, today's video is at an end. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment. I wish you guys the best of luck. I will see you in the next video.
They called him a misfit, a troublemaker. Some whispered delinquent. Others just crossed the street when he walked by. Why? Because he wore a black hoodie, had tattoos on his arms, and headphones always around his neck. Because his eyes looked like they'd seen too much of the world. And because Atlas didn't speak much. But what they didn't know was that Atlas had a mind sharper than most professors. At 19, he was building apps that helped the elderly remember their medications. He fixed broken bikes for free in his garage